Good morning, children. See, example 2 is what there. For the school day, Divya bought 3 meter of a ribbon and 2 pair of bangles and 4 packets of bindis. The cost of each item is given below. Find the amount spent by Divya on this item. See, cost of 1 meter ribbon. See, 1 meter ribbon. How many meters she has brought? 3 meter. So, for 1 meter ribbon is 5 rupees. For 3 meter means 3 into 5. 3 5s how much? 15 rupees. See, cost of one pair bangle is 8. How many pairs bangle she has brought? 2 pair. So, 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Cost of one packet bindi is rupees 3. How many bindi packets she has brought? 4. So, 4 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12 rupees. So, now you had that. 3 meter ribbon. That is how much? 15 rupees. Right here 15. Bangles. How many pairs? 2 pairs. So that is 16 rupees. Bindis 3 rupees 1 packet. 4 packet means 12 rupees. Now add this one. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Write here 3. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So amount spent by Divya is rupees 43. Now coming to page number 139 in your textbook, children. See, solve this. 6 pairs of bangles. See, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pair. 6 pairs of bangle. 2 bangles in each pair. In each pair, how many bangles is there? 2 bangles is there. So, how many bangles are there in all? So, how many pairs? 6 pairs. How many bangles in each pair? 2. So, 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Answer is what, children? 12. Like that. So, 4 bunches. Okay, how many bunches? 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches. Okay, 4 bunches. 6 grapes in each bunch. See, how many grapes in each bunch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grapes is there in each bunch. How many grapes are there in all? So, how many bunches is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 into, how many grapes in there in each bunch? 6. So, 4 6 are how much, children? 4 6 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Answer is what? 24. Okay. Yes, see how many cars is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. Okay. 5 cars into each car has how many wheels? 4 wheels. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. So, 5 4s are how much? 5 into 4. 5 cars. In each car 4 wheels. So 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Answer is what, children? 20 wheels there. How many wheels are there means? 20 wheels are there. See here. 3 girls. How many girls is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 girls. Each girl has how many umbrellas? 1 umbrellas. So 3 girls have 1 umbrella. That is 3 1s are 3. Answer is what? 3. Now, how many pockets is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packets. In 7 packets, 6 bindis in each packet. How many bindis is there? 6 bindis in each. So, 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. So, answer is what, children? 42. Coming to page number 140. Coming to page number 140 in your textbook, children. Solve the following. See, 4 students can be sit on one bench. Okay, in one bench, how many students can sit? 4. So, how many can be seated on 8 benches? In 8 benches, how many students can sit? One bench, how many members? 4 members. How many benches is there? 8 benches. So, 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. So 32 students can be sit. Okay. See, second one. 10 plants can be planted. How many plants can be planted in one row? 10 plants. Okay. In one row, 10 plants can be planted. How many can be planted in 6 rows? So in one row, how many plants, children? 10 plants. How many rows is there? 6 rows. 6 rows. In one row, how many plants? 10 plants. So 6 rows, how many plants? 6 tens are 60 plants. Okay. Now cost of one ice cream is rupees 6. what is the cost of 9 ice cream? Okay. So what is the cost of 9 ice cream they are asking. Cost of 1 ice cream is how much? 6 rupees. So what is the cost of 9 ice cream? So how many ice creams? 9 ice creams. Cost of 1 ice cream is how much? 6. Or 6 ice cream. Cost of 1 ice cream is 9. So you can buy 6 9s how much? Or 9 6 are. 9 6 are. See children. So rupees they are given, days they are given, done the mistake. Okay. See, cost of 1 ice cream is rupees 6. So what is the cost of 9 ice cream? 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. Cost of 9 ice cream is how much? Rupees 54. Okay. They are given the days, not. Okay. Next, coming to fourth one. There are 7 days in a week. We know that 1 week is equal to how many days, children? 7 days. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 4 weeks is how much? Okay, 1 week is 7 days. 4 week is how much? 4 into 7. So 4 sevens are 28 days. Okay children. Fifth one. There are 9 players in a Coco team. Okay, how many players in Coco team? 9. How many players are there in 4 teams? In one Coco team is there 9 players. For 4 Coco team players is how much? 4 9s are 36 players. Okay children. So you have to learn the tables children. If you don't know the tables you can't do the multiplications. Okay. Now coming to page number 142 in your textbook children. See multiplication this one only. Second method they are explained. Okay, see, multiply 2 ones by 3. That is, this is tens and ones. This is ones only. Okay, a single digit, no ones. Here 2 digits is there. So, tens and ones. Multiply 2 ones from 3. So, 2 3s are how much? 6 ones. Okay, next 2 into 3. That is, 2 3s are 6 units they got. Write 6 in the ones place. Here they written. Next, multiply 110 by 3. So 110 by 3 means how much? 1 into 3 is how much? 310. So write 3 in the tens place. That is 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Okay children. So I will coming to page number 143 in your textbook. Okay. See here. You know the tables. Okay. So first write 12 into 4. Okay, this is tens and ones. Exercise 5.5 in your textbook, page number 143 children. Okay. See, first one is find the product. Find the product. Okay, first one is what? 12 into 4. So first this is 2 digits means tens and ones. This is only 4 ones. So first you multiply 2 ones and 4 ones. Okay. So 2 4s are how much? 8 ones. So this write in the unit place, that is 8 ones. Okay. Next you multiply 110 into 4. Okay. That is 1 4s are 4. That is what? 410. So write here 4. Okay. Now 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Directly I will do, see there, 33 into 3. 3 3s are what children? Tens and ones. First multiply ones place. 3 3s are 9. Write there 9. Now multiply with the tens place. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Third sum, 22 into 4. So this is tens and ones. Multiply this first ones. 4 2s are 8. Write there. Now tens. 4 2s are 8. 88. Now another one sum I will do children. 80 into 40. Okay. Now multiply. 4 zeros are 0. 4 8s are 32. Okay children. Now second main children. Second main, solve the following. Second main is what? Solve the following. Solve the following. That is, see, first question is what? 12 books can be placed in each shelf. How many can be placed in 4 such shelves? So, in one shelf, how many books you can keep? In one shelf, 12 books you can keep. Okay, in one shelf how many books? 12 books. For 4 shelves how many books, children? Don't know. So you can write 4 into 12. That is, you know that 2 4s are 8. Next 1 4s are 4, or 12 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So here 12 4s are 48 you can do there. First 1's place, 2 4s are 8. Next 10's place, 1 4s are 4. Okay. Now second one, what problems there? Solve the following. A school bus can carry 30 students per trip. How many students can be carried in 3 trips? So one trip, how many students, children? One trip 30 students. One trip how many students? 30 students. Therefore for 3 trips how many students? So what you do? 30 into 3. Now see, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. So in 3 trips how many students? 90 students can carry. Okay. Now coming to page number 144 in your textbook, children. Third sum. There are 11 players in a cricket team. How many players are there in 3 teams? One team in cricket player. One team how many players is there? 11 players. Okay. In 3 teams how many we don't know. So 11 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 33 players. Okay. In 3 team how many players is there? 33 players is there. Okay, children. Now multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number with carry over system. Now multiplication with the carry over system. So coming to exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6 in your textbook, page number 145. Okay. See, find the products. So 26 into 3. So what you will do here? Here 2 digits is there, tens and ones. Here 3. So first multiply ones. That is 6 into 3 is how much? 6 3s are, or 3 6 are how much? 3 6 are 18. Here 2 digits came, tens and ones. What you will do? Write 8 in the ones place. Okay, write 8 in the ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place here. Okay. Now multiply 2 into 3. That is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is how much? 3 2s are 6. 6 tens came. 6 tens plus 1 10. Plus 1 10. How much, children? This one? 6 plus 1 is 7 tens. See, 7 tens. Okay. Now you can do directly. See, 2 8s are how much? This is tens and ones. Here 2 8s are 16 came. 2 8s are how much? 16 came. So what you will do right here? Write ones in the unit, that is ones are unit for you. So write in this 6 in the ones place and carry 1 to this place. Okay. Now 2 3s are multiplied tens place now. 2 3s are 6. Carry 1 is 7. 76. Okay, children. Now I can do 5 6 are 30. So you can write 5 6 are 30 is there no. Write here 0, carry 3 here. Okay. So 5 5s are how much, children? 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. So you can do like this also. Now 4 8s are how much, children? 4 8s are 32. So you write 32 also. No, you write here 2, carry 3 here. Okay. 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. So 192. Okay, children. Now coming to page number 149 in your textbook, children. That is exercise 5.7. Exercise 5.7. That is what? Multiply. First one is what? Multiply. So what is that? 32 multiplied by 2 digits 12. Okay. Now ones place is over, so you can write here 0. Ones place is multiplied now. From 4 we multiply 32. So there is 0. Now we have to start from the tens place. Okay, we have to multiply 32 from 110. Okay, so 1 plus is 0. So see, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So now add this 448. So second sum 55 into 11 children. Okay. So you know that. See 55 into in working column 55 into see tens ones 55 into 1. How much 55 ones are 55 right here 55 ones are 55. Now 10. Okay, so start. How many 10 is there? 110. So 55 multiplied by 110, that is 10. So 1 0 is there, put 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. How much is there? 550. So write 0 5 5. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Right here 0. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 605. So you know that 11 5s are 55. Right here 5. Carry 5. So 11 5s are 55. Okay, yes, 11 5s are 55. Next, ones place is over, you can put 0. Here 11 5s are 55. Now add this one. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 5 is 10. Right here 0 1. Okay, children, another one sum I will show for you. Third sum, you can do that 41 into 23. So what is there? Tens and ones. Here also tens and ones. So multiply this 41 from the 3 ones. Okay. So come 3 ones are 3. Now tens place from 3. 3 fours are 12. Okay. Now ones place is over now. From 3 we multiply this 2 number also. We can put here 0. Okay. Now tens place what is there? 2 is there. From 2 we can multiply this 41. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Now add both. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, children, I'll do another one sum for you. 85 into 10. Okay. So here also tens and ones. Here also tens and ones is here. So 85 multiplied first ones place. Okay. So we know that 0 5 is 0. 0 8 is 0. Now from tens place if you multiply 85. So I'll put here 0 because ones place is completed. Now we have to start from the tens place. So 1 5 is 5. 1 8 is 8. 0 5 8. Okay, children. Now exercise that is 5.7. Second one we are doing now. Okay. Second one what is there? Solve the following. Second one what is there? Solve the following. See, solve the following is what? Peter's stamp book has 30 pages. Each page has 12 stamps. Totally, how many stamps are there in his book? Peter's stamp book has how many pages? 30 pages. Each page has 12 stamps. Okay, one page have how many stamps? 12 stamps. Peter's stamp book has 30 pages. See, first one. Okay, you have to find totally how many stamps are there in his book. So, each page, one page how many stamps, children? 12 stamps. In one page how many stamps? 12 stamps. Peter's stamp book has how many pages? For 30 pages, how much is there? Okay. For one page is 12. For 30 pages, how much? So, what you will do? 30 into 12. Okay. So, what you will do? 2 digits is there. Tens and ones, tens and ones. So, this 30 is multiplied by ones. That is 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6. See, 2 zeros are 0. Next 2 threes are 6. Now tens place is, ones place is over. So what you will do here? You will put 0. Now use commence from the tens place. See, 1 zeros are 0. 1 threes are 3. Now what you will do? You must add both. Okay. 0, 6, 3. So totally how many stamps are there in this book? In this book have how many? Totally 360 stamps. 360 stamps is there. Okay, in this book. Second one, children, there are 43 students in Ramu's class. If each paid rupees 10 for charity, what is the total amount collected? Okay. See, one child paid how much rupees? 10 rupees. One child paid rupees how much, children? 10. So, how many students in the class is there? 43 students. So, how much that one? That is 43 into 10. Okay. So you know that 43 ones are 43 or 143 is 43. So how many zeros is there? That you put right side of the number 10. So how much rupees is collected? Total amount collected is how much? Therefore total amount collected is rupees 430. Okay, children. Next, third sum. 52 roses are required to make a garland. How many roses are required to make a 15? See, 52 roses to make a garland. So, to make one garland. Okay. For one garland, how many roses? 52 roses. Okay. To make a 50 garland, how many roses need, children? 15 garland is how much we don't know. So 15 into 52. Okay. So you multiply that. 15 twos are how much? In working column. 15 into 2. 15 twos are 2 5s are 10. 1 carry 2 ones are 2 1 3 30. 15 twos are 30. Now 15 into 5. So ones place over, you can put here 0. Now 15 into 5. 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. What that is? 75. Now you add this 2. 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 7. So how many roses is there? Need to complete 15 garland. Then therefore 7. See, they are asking how many roses are required to make 15 garlands? Roses required is how much? Required is 780 roses. Okay. Okay, children. Part first is completed in your textbooks. So, see there, do in the textbook that one. Page number right there, children. Page number 146 I will do in the textbook. There are 12 pencils in a packet. See, in one packet how many pencils? 12 pencils are there. So, how many pencils are there in 8 packets? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Number of pencils in a packet is 12. Number of pencils packet is 8. Total number of pencils, so 12 into 8. See, 8 twos are 16, right? 6 here, carry 1. 8 ones are 8, carry 1 is 9, 96. Total number of pencils is 96. Second one, children. A flower has 5 petals. There are 25 flowers in a vase. How many petals are there in all? Number of flowers in a vase is how much? There are 25 flowers. So, in a vase, right, 25. So a flower has 5 petals. Number of petals in a flower is how much? 5. Total number of petals, make it as 25 into 5. So write 5 5s are 25. Write here 5, carry 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So total number of petals is 125. Third sum, children. The cost of a book is 60 rupees 65. Rupees 65. Find the cost of 3 such books. Cost of each book is how much? 65. Number of books is 3. Cost of 3 such books is how much? So you can do like this. 65 into 3. Also you can do here. See. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18 1 19. So cost of 3 such books is 195 rupees. Okay children. Thank you. Next class I will start the part 2 books. Okay. Thank you.